Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa, you are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am going to show you guys my fall 2020 curly hair routine. I have changed things a little bit as we are entering into the colder season, and I need to show you what I've changed in my hair routine because it had made a big difference for me, and hopefully it can, help some of you out there who have fine wavy to curly hair that is more on the drier end of the spectrum. One, if you want to call it high porosity, call it high porosity, but I heard that some low porosity people also have problem with dryness. So if you guys are looking for a way to keep your hair moisturized throughout the cold season, this video is for you. Before I get into the meat of this video, the other day I was looking at my YouTube channel. Is it algorithm or, analytic, that's the word. And I realized that only 30% of the people who watch my video are actually subscribed to my channel. So I am talking to the 70% out there. You guys, if you've been watching more than one video and really enjoying it, and if you've been looking forward to the next video, can you please hit that subscribe button? That would really help your girl out. Also, feel free to hit the like button if ever you are enjoying the content of this video. It also helps me a lot. And if you have any question at any moment in this video, feel free to put it in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer it. And if I can't, I'm sure somebody in the community will be happy to answer your question. Bon ben voilà, that's it. With no further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so the first question is, what is the problem with my hair? Why do I need to change things around? What's going on? Well, what's going on is my hair is super dry, like to the point where I'm not able to have a day two, and it's starting to get on my nerves slightly. Also, I remember last year, I think I have PTSD to be honest, because last year around this time I dealt with extremely dry hair to the point where I decided by November to cut my hair short and have a big chop. I don't want this to repeat again this year, so I am making sure that I am giving all the moisture my hair needs. And as I was playing around with products, I realized that every time I need moisture, I always go back to that one product, and that's the Garnier Fructis 1 Minute Hair Mask. This bad guy right here. If you guys follow me, you have seen this product in my channel many times. I love this product because it is a conditioner, a mask, and a leave-in conditioner. You can do all that with it, okay? Anyways, all that to say that I decided to add one more step to my curly hair routine, and that one step is to add this product to my hair while I'm under the shower before applying my leave-in conditioner and my gel. Hi, my loves, Luisa from the future here. As I am editing my video, I just want to bring a little update. There is another product that I like to use as a base for hydration to my hair instead of the Garnier Fructis, and that is the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair moisturizing curl activator cream. Okay, so this is a cream. It is heavy. I tried years ago to use it as a leave-in conditioner, and it was way too heavy for my hair, but it works really well on Ella's hair as a leave-in conditioner. For reference, Ella is a 3B type of hair, so a lot thicker, it needs a lot more moisture. But for my 2B, 3A type of hair, if I was to use this only as a leave-in conditioner, it would be way too heavy for me. But using it as a base, as a foundation, like I'm showing you in this video, it works really well. So it's between the Garnier and the Cantus, Cantu, not Cantus. And voilà, that's that. All right, back to the video. If you follow me, you know I'm a product type of girl when it comes to styling product. I like to put a leave-in and a gel, call it a day. Thank you very much, goodbye. Really what changed in my hair routine is that I am adding an extra moisturizing agent to my hair. Adding this little product changed a lot of things. Why? Because now my hair stays moisturized through throughout day one. I wake up on a day two and I'm able to just spray a little bit of something on my hair, put a little bit of a gel, and then walk out the door. So with no further ado, I'm going to show you how I did my day one routine today. We're going to go in my bathroom. I started the day with a light cleanser, a light shampoo. I decided to use the low ladder cleanser from All About Curls. I mostly put it on my scalp. I let the rest of the shampoo run through my hair, squish a little bit, and then rinse it off. I followed that with their daily cream conditioner. This conditioner gives you a really nice slip and makes it really easy to detangle your hair, but it also gives you a nice little moisture. I have a whole review on this line of product that I will link for you guys to see right here somewhere up there. Then I use my favorite detangling brush to detangle my hair. This brush is my favorite brush of all time. It is actually part of my new merch that is available on my website. The link is in the description box. I'm super excited about it. And once my hair was detangled, I rinse it off. Then it was time to apply the mask. I applied a generous amount all over it, and I tried to really work that mask into my hair shaft. And then I covered my hair up and went about my business for about 10 minutes. Once I was done with the mask, I rinsed it off, and it was time for me to do my styling process. So I switch into a clumping position. I get into clumping mode, so I put all my hair upside down, and that's when I apply the Garnier Fructis 1 minute hair mask. I stay away from my roots, and I really applied it on the length of my hair, and I worked this product into my hair shaft to make sure that it gets all the good stuff in there. If I felt that there was a little bit too much product, I add a little bit of water, and then I squish to condition. Then I applied the leave-in conditioner, which is the Bouncy cream from All About Curls. Same thing, I applied all over my hair, and I clump and squish to condition as much as possible. Once I got rid of the majority of the water in there, I put my hair into my hair net, and I went about my business. Once I was ready to finish my hair, I took out the hairnet and I started to scrunch my hair with my all-time favorite Microfiber Towel that is also available on my website. Feel free to click on it, link in the description box. I made sure I got rid of all the excess water and excess product that would have weighed my hair down if I left it in my hair. And then once I scrunch everything out of my hair, or the excess product and water out of my hair, I apply the BioTerra alcohol-free defining gel on my hair. I made sure I apply a generous amount all over. The goal here is to have enough to last me through day 2 if possible, or to allow my curls to stay together until the next day. And then I was ready to diffuse my hair while listening to my favorite music. And I believe that when you diffuse your hair while you listen to your favorite music, your curls are curlier. Or maybe not. And voila, this is the end result. What can I tell you? I'm loving the moisture. I'm loving the fact that I'm able to have a decent day 2. I am saving a lot of time. I only add one step to my routine, and I'm able to keep my curls longer. Also, I feel like my hair is less damaged because of it, so I'm loving it. Now the cons, you can easily get into a overhydrated hair type of problem when you put too much moisture in your hair and your curls tend to be elongated. So you really have to be light-handed when you apply the Garnier Fructis under the shower. It's a little bit, it's on the length of your hair, and if you feel like it's already too much, feel free to add water and squish out as much as possible. Another con is that the drying time might be a little bit longer. So for this video I use this line of product, but you guys know me, I'm always switching products around. This is today, tomorrow is going to be something else. But the one thing that I'm not changing so far is the Garnier Fructis. I am using this as a base to give the moisture that my hair needs, and then on top of this I am applying styling product. It's a huge difference for me because I was a 2 product and done. Now I'm a 3 product and done. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. You know, I added 1 step to my curly hair journey, and I'm definitely seeing the benefits of it, and I'm loving the fact that I can rock my curls for longer without having to go through a whole styling process. Voila, this is what I wanted to share with you, my loves. Let me know in the comment section what you think about all that. If you have any other product suggestion, I'll be happy to see what you have. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the content. It really helps me. Don't forget to subscribe if you're part of the 70%. Girlfriend, come on, subscribe. And don't forget to share if you think it can help a friend in their curly hair journey. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.